Here's another young horse. She's a 2-year-old Icelandic horse. And she presented to the university with a known diagnosis. So she had drainage by the base of her left ear. The referring veterinarian took some radiographs, and we can see that tooth-like structure in that region. So she had a dentigerous cyst. It had been draining, I think, for at least a year. She'd been on antibiotics, kind of on and off. The owners wanted a CT to do kind of surgical planning and come up with the next best step for her. Here we can see those transverse images. Let me see if I can pause. Okay. So we can see that tooth-like structures, there's actually 2 of them over here. And then I'd like to point out, so we have loss of bone or lysis through the calvarium at the level of those tooth-like structures. And then they're also very intimately associated with the TMJ joint. So if you watch through this area. So at this point, these owners declined surgery and did elect to humanely euthanize her. We do have gross images here. And so you can see, it's very similar to what we saw on the CT images. And then in this region, there was complete loss of bone, and this is just a fibrous membrane.